All right, good morning, kiddos. We are going to be reviewing adding and subtracting positive rational numbers fluently and really working on lining up those decimals and getting some correct answers. Some of the problems that you guys have been working for me for some reason. Some of the answers are just really off, and I know that it's simply because of decimal placement. So we're going to work on that again this week and just make sure that you have that down packed. So, just as a quick review, our vocabulary words that we're going to focus on is the word add in, which simply means numbers that are added. So instead of always saying, well, I'm going to add these two numbers together, those numbers that are being added are called add-ins. And then, of course, the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. So the first problem that we're going to work says that Rachel cleaned out her piggy bank. She had 18 pennies, 5 nickels, 3 dimes, and 6 quarters. Okay, so one thing that I want to do, which is sort of difficult, so that you can actually see this. Okay, so I have 18 pennies. How much, or what is the value of 1 penny? 1 cent, right? And so if I have 18, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, that means I would have 18 cents. How do you write 18 cents? If 18 pennies is 18 cents, how do you properly write that? Okay. 0.18 would be 18 cents. Good. So it says that we have 5 nickels. What is the value of 1 nickel? Of course, you guys know this. 1 nickel is 5 cents. And so if we have 5 of these, then that means we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 cents. So let's write that down, but make sure that you are keeping your decimals aligned. So we have 25 cents. And we also have 3 dimes. Each dime is worth 10 cents. We have 10, 20, and 30 cents. 0.30. You got it. And so the last one that we have is 6 quarters. So I have my 6 quarters here. So each quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. So if we count, we have 25, 50, 75, and $1. We still have 2 more. How much are 2 quarters? 25 and 50, and we already had $1. So $1.50. So we have a whole and 50 cents. So this problem is checking for your understanding of value of coins and if you can properly align your decimals and add fluently. So how much money does Rachel have in her piggy bank? So now all we have to do is add. 8 plus 5 gives us what? 13. So we're going to write a 3 and carry the 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Plus another is 11 and 12. Put a 2, your decimal, and carry the 1. So we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So the question is, how much money does Rachel have in her piggy bank? She has $2.23. Okay, so the next problem that I want to work with you guys, it says that calculators that cost $15.75 are on sale. That costs $15.70, they're on sale, which means it's going to be cheaper than that. So the next part says that the discounted price is $1.25 off of the regular price. So we get to take $1.25 off of that original $15.75. So if we take it off, what operation is that? Exactly. We're going to subtract $1.25 from the regular price. So let's do that. $15.75 is the regular pricing. We're going to take $1.25 off. If you have 75 cents and you take away 1/4, you're going to be left with 50 cents. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So that means that one calculator, this is the discounted price for one calculator. But the next statement says that Mrs. Johnson purchased 2 calculators on sale, and they want to know how much did she spend. So we know that one is $14.50. So in order to know how much 2 is, we're going to have to add another $14.50 for another one. So 1 is $14.50. 2, you have to add it twice. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Make sure you have your decimal. Carry the 1. 4 plus 4 gives us 8 plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So simply put, Miss Johnson purchased 2 calculators on sale and spent $29 on those 2 calculators that were on sale. So anytime that you are adding or subtracting numbers, what is the most important part when there is a decimal involved? Okay, it's important that we always line up the decimal. And if there are missing place values, what do we usually do? Fill in those missing spaces with zeros, right? So that we can properly align our decimals. So let's read and let's see what this next problem asks of us. The Garces bought 2 adult tickets, 2 kid tickets, and 1 senior ticket. How much money did they spend? And so if we look at the table that they've given us, we know that based on our information, we have to get 2 of these. It says that we need 2 kid tickets and 1 senior ticket. 1 senior ticket. So let's just start there. Let's start at the top. If 1 adult ticket is $14.25, then that means we have to add it, $14.25 plus $14.25, to get the total of 2. So what is 25 cents plus 25 cents? 50 cents. And 4 plus 4 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is, okay, this is the total for 2 adult tickets. We also have 2 kid tickets, $9.75 plus $9.75. This is going to give us a total for 2 kid tickets. 5 plus 5, 10, carry the 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 gives us 15. So let's carry that 1. Our doubles again, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 1 gives you 19. So 2 kid tickets is $19.50. The 2 adult tickets is $28.50. And so since it's just easier to just stack 2 numbers at a time first, let's do that. We have $28.50 plus $19.50. 0 and 5 is 10. You're going to carry the 1. 8 and 1 is 9. So you can add 9 plus 9 and get 18. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So far we have purchased 2 adult tickets, we've purchased 2 kid tickets, and we have to get one more thing, which is the senior ticket that costs how much? That's right, $11.50. So let's do that. Let's add $11.50 to our current total. So no cents and 50 cents gives us 50 cents. 8 plus 8 plus 1 is 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So when you purchase 2 adult tickets, 2 kid tickets, and 1 senior ticket, the total for all 5 of those tickets is $59.50. As you guys progress throughout the lesson, make sure that if you're having any issues or just any concerns with the lining up of your decimals, just make sure that you're taking your time and that you, the most important part is that you simply take your time, line up those decimals. If you have a number in the tenths place and no number in the hundredths place add a 0 in your place value. Don't get confused. Slow down. And again, if you have any questions, contact me. And if I need to set up a Zoom conference so that we can meet live instead of a recorded lesson, I can do that for you guys as well. But other than that, that's it. That's what you're going to be working on this week. We have some games that are coming up as a review. So, yeah. Do a good job. Take your time. And I will see you guys at the end of the week.